Today, let us begin with the first chapter of history, that is Renaissance in Europe and development of science. Firstly, we will understand what is Renaissance. Renaissance is nothing but rebirth, proved to be the beginning of new era. 1.1 European Crusades and its far-reaching consequences. Jerusalem and Bethlehem were considered holy by Jews, Christians, and Muslims.
Bethlehem and Jerusalem were under the Islamic rule in the 11th century. To regain hold on these cities, war were fought, and these wars were known as crusades. Supporting the crusades. People in Europe were inspired to fight for the cause of religion. Pope announced that those who will fight in the crusade their all sins will be forgiven and they would immediately go to heaven. The two major trading centers in Italy was Venice and Genoa, and rich merchants wanted to establish their trade in the Central Asian marketplaces. The first crusade was started in 1096 CE. While the call for second crusade, Pope Eugenius III asked help from French King Louis VII and German King Conrad III. Later, the crusades were defeated by the Turks. In 1187 came Sultan. No, not this Sultan. No, the Sultan of Egypt, Saladin, defeated the crusade by conquering Jerusalem. The crusade did not stop after that. Total 9 crusades were launched. Despite the crusade, Jerusalem and region around it came under the Islamic rule. Cause of the failure of the crusades. The main reason of the failure of the crusade were the attribute to the attitude of the Pope and the European rulers, who initiated crusade for their own interest. Besides the factors like common people losing faith, rift between the Pope and the European king, dispute between the Pope and the German emperor, non-cooperation by the emperor of the Byzantium also caused the failure of crusades. Consequences of the crusades. Consequences of the crusades lead to the end of feudalism in Europe. Faith in Pope began to decline. Contact with the regions in Central Asia lead to the trade, and the new avenues were opened for the cities in Italy and Germany. It saw the rise in the new class of traders. The European warfare went through many changes. European nations acquired expertise in building forts, managing military outposts, and building bridges for the convenience of army to go from one place to another. And also, European king introduced new taxes which were directly added to the royal treasure. Europeans were also introduced to newer types of plants, fruits, perfumes, different types of clothing, sugar, silk, textiles, spices, medicinal herbs, and so on. Europeans came into contact with the Arabs. They got introduced to newer subjects. Europeans also adopted many Arabic words which is used in alchemy, music, and commerce. 1.2 Renaissance period in Europe. In Europe, the Renaissance period had begun in the 14th century CE and its zenith in the 15th and 16th century CE. These 3 centuries proved to be the foundational stage of a culture based on rationalism and science. People got more interested in unfolding the mysteries of the universe by adopting scientific approach. People began to write poetry, drama, and fiction, a field that had remained untouched so far. In pre-Renaissance time, the thought about the existence of the universe revolved around the concept of the God. Now, humans formed the center of this thought. This way of thinking is called humanism. तभी के ज़माने में लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि जो यूनिवर्स है, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्स जो है वो गॉड के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है. and this thinking is called as humanism. In the year 1543 CE, निकोलस कॉर्निकस उन्होंने दुनिया को बताया कि जो हमारा प्लानिटरी सिस्टम है वो सन के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है और ना ही कि अर्थ के अराउंड. Afterwards, in the year 1609, Galileo prepared a more sophisticated telescope ताकि वो एस्ट्रोनॉमी के फील्ड में आगे और रिसर्च कर सके. The first printing press in Germany was started in 1440 by Johannes Gutenberg. Although the first printing press in Italy was in the year 1451. The invention of printing press has been an outstanding gift of the Renaissance period. In the 18th century, modern university यूरोप में बनाए गए. उनका जो सिलेबस था that included the epics, that is Iliad and the Odyssey written by the Homer, Greek drama, speeches of great authors, literature, painting, science, history and etc. रोमन चर्च. रेनेसांस के पहले रोमन चर्च लोगों का रिलीजियस लाइफ ही नहीं बट उनका पर्सनल लाइफ भी कंट्रोल करता था और जो भी बाइबल के इसमें इंटरप्ट करने की कोशिश करता था उसको दे वर डायरेक्टली सेंटेंस्ड टू डेथ. मॉडर्न साइंस. Scientists began their search for reality by strictly using the scientific method, which emphasizes on the empirical experiences. Empirical मतलब observing or experimenting on new things. Modern age of science included learning mathematics, science and arts gained importance during the Renaissance. For example, the works of Leonardo da Vinci. Now coming to the topic of arts. रेनेसांस में जितना इम्पोर्टेंस साइंटिफिक फील्ड को दिया उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस आर्ट फील्ड को भी दिया. सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ पेंटिंग. ऑयल पेंट्स वर यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग बोर्ड पेंट्स एंड ऑयल पेंटिंग्स. The scientific method of observation of nature made it possible to paint the nature scenes with the minute details. The work of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo are quite significant in this regard. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड इफ़ यू ऑल वांट टू नो विच इज़ द नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग वीडियो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो आवर इंस्टा अकाउंट एंड thank you for watching.